Hello, friends. It's me, David. I just wanted to give you a quick update on what's going on, maybe with the future of this channel. I have been doing a lot of organizing, cleaning, and rearranging things. I'm trying to build out my studio a little bit better to make more videos. I had a lot of plans for this last month because I was on hiatus from my day job, which has been taking up a lot of my time. And I started having a problem with my vision. I developed a double vision, and it was really difficult for me to do any kind of craft work uh, until I get my eye addressed. I currently have a corrective lens on my glasses, but without them, everything's doubled. And even with the corrective lens, it's still a little difficult to focus on things for very long. So I'm able to do kind of big, broad stroke kind of things, like I said. So I'm trying to consolidate my materials, tidy up the studio, and uh, work on plans for upcoming things. I have a lot of things that I shot. I haven't really been able to edit them yet, debating whether or not I'm even going to release them or just do something new altogether. But that's where I am, and I don't have a lot of subscribers, but I felt like I owed it to the few of you who have been subscribed and loyal and, supportive. So that's all I got for now. But I hope to have something to share with you very soon. So stay tuned, and thanks so much. And give me a like, all that stuff. You know what to do. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.